Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between two monstrous mountains, there lived an old man named Yu Gong. Yu Gong was wise yet spry for his age, with a twinkling eye and a heart full of dreams. Every day, he gazed at the sky-high mountains that loomed over his village and sighed, for they blocked easy access to the outside world and made life hard for his beloved family and neighbors. One bright and sunny morning, Yu Gong had an idea that sparkled like the early morning dew. He gathered his family around him and said, "My dear ones, our life would be so much easier without these mountains. I have decided to move them, stone by stone, until our path is clear to the world beyond." His family, loving and loyal, nodded in agreement. They knew Yu Gong was filled with determination that could move more than just earth and stones. However, when the villagers heard of Yu Gong's plan, they giggled and chortled. "You silly old man," they said, shaking their heads, "you'll never live long enough to move those mountains." But the laughter and doubts of others were like a gentle breeze to Yu Gong, who started with the strength of Herculean resolve. He lifted a stone, then another, and yet another. Day by day, Yu Gong, along with his sons, toiled with grit and perseverance. Regardless of weather, they worked tirelessly, knowing every pebble they removed was a step closer to a better future. The seasons came and went, and though they had barely made a dent, Yu Gong's spirit never wavered. His story reached the mystical realms, catching the attention of the gods who watched over the earth. They were amazed by Yu Gong's unyielding dedication and the way he inspired his community to unite for a common cause. One day, as the sun kissed the horizon and painted the skies in hues of orange and pink, celestial beings came down from the heavens. "Dear Yu Gong," they spoke, their voices echoing like gentle thunder, "your unwavering resolve has moved not just mountains but the hearts of the gods. We have come to aid you in your noble quest." And so, the celestial beings, with powers unknown to mankind, helped Yu Gong and his family. Together, they moved the mountains, not just from their path, but from everyone's hearts. The village thrived, and Yu Gong's name became legendary, a symbol of determination and the belief that relentless perseverance, no matter how audacious, could inspire and achieve the impossible. And it was said that as long as there were people with the spirit of Yu Gong, no mountain would be too big to conquer.